In this video, you will see how to install the Deadbolt Guard on a Defiant and similar deadbolt locks. With a Phillips head screwdriver, loosen both bolts, turning them counterclockwise about 3 or 4 times. Remove the deadbolt guard from the protective package and turn the spring clip 180 degrees. Place the deadbolt guard between the door and the lock plate. Rotate it along with the knob all the way to the right, making sure that the knob is placed inside the spring clip. Tighten both bolts, turning them clockwise. Now your deadbolt guard is ready to be used. Once engaged, it will protect your deadbolt from being bumped, picked, or even from unauthorized key use.